Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and activate a BDO credit card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. So for that matter, all you have to do is simply access your mobile browser on your phone and type in bdo.com as I have done on top and get into their official website. Once you have successfully done that, make sure you're signed in as well, and right upon doing that, all you have to do is tap on this three menu lined icon on top left corner of the screen. Once you have tapped on it, you can get this menu option. All you have to do is tap on this personal option on top and simply choose this option of cards. Here in this section you will find the credit card option on top. All you have to do is tap on it, and you can see now we have the options available regarding the card. You can simply go ahead and go to this tools and services section, which includes this option of card and activation. Go ahead, tap on this card activation, and it will simply open up this interface where all you have to do is simply enter your card number on top which you have received, and simply tap on the show card number if you would like to remember it. Otherwise, enter your date of birth, your expiration date, and simply for security code verification, re-enter what you see right over there. Once you have entered the code above, all you have to do is tap on submit. You might get some verification regarding your account. All you have to do is complete that, and then you will be able to simply activate your card. You will receive a notification regarding. Once you have confirmed it, you are good to go. So that is the way for you to do so. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.